So I'm now going to the that Vocera Syntesi or whatever it was called. I've got the parts for it, which I'm pretty sure is going to fix it. I wasn't able to narrow it down to exactly what part. I'm pretty sure it's the little ignition PCB, to be honest, but I won't actually know until it's all fitted. I've got to clean out that main heat exchanger, the secondary heat exchanger, because that was filthy. I've just literally been to Tesco to pick up the bits to do that, to Tesco of all places. So I'm on my way there now, and hopefully the customer's still okay with me filming today, and I'll try and film with this GoPro. I don't know if the footage will be any better or not, and I'll get that done. I'll show you how I'll clean the main heat exchanger. I'm going to try something a bit new here that someone recommended to me, and that's using bicarbonate of soda. So I'll do that and see if it works, really. So I will see you guys. I'll let you guys know what happens. Like I say, hopefully they'll let me film it. And if they do, you'll see. Okay, so here's our Vocera today. Okay, so what gave the game away that it was going to be this is because power comes into it on here, on these two actually, on them two wires there. These two are to open the gas valve, and the rest of this is for spark and rectification. So we had power coming in, the gas valve did open, but we just didn't have spark. So the only thing it can be is anything attached to this plug or this board. So we're going to change everything associated with that to hopefully fix this for this customer. Now I'm removing that igniter, as they call it. I would call it a transformer, but it's the manufacturer of that called it an igniter. So I'm going to remove that, which is that plug there, onto the board. And while I've got it out, I'll do a comparison to the brand new one that's sitting there, and see if there's any difference in the readings. Okay, so that's all of that done. All back together. New PCB lead for the transformer, or they call it an igniter, and a new electrode and lead. So hopefully that intermittent fault is now gone. Now let's just try and get the CO down on this thing by dealing with this bit up there. So there's that. I'll just give that a good spray up with bicarb. There's that brush from Tesco. It's in there nicely. I'm just going to give this a good clean out and put the baffle back in there. Okay, so while I was cleaning that recuperator out, once I started flushing it through with water, the water was backing up and pouring out the front of it. So I had to strip all the condense pipe out, which was all blocked. The condense trap was all blocked. So obviously that had definitely been causing an issue. But yes, I had to pull all of that stuff out and unblock it. That took ages, and that trap was so fiddly. Some of the clips on that were really fiddly. You can see the bicarb didn't like dissolve any of them lumpy bits in there either. So all in all, a bit frustrating. Yeah. So there's new wash on there. And easier than it came out. Hopefully that's a good sign. So yeah, let's get this cover on, get the analyzer out. Is that a hole? Is that what that is? Is that a big hole? Yeah, there's a big hole, isn't it? So I've scraped this case seal off. This is where I'm at with that, and that's what I use for it. I use a window scraper. There's a new case seal, but before I do that, just go around it with that wire brush, get the rest of that black off, and then I'll put the new case seal on it. It's very hard carrying on working on a boiler that you know is fucked. I must say, that's really quite tough. So this is the tool I use to get that side cover off. I mean, look at that space you've got there. There's the screw there, which is back there. Look, I mean, you've got about 3 inches. Even the stubby's going to be very awkward. That's there, and you don't remember that's back there, yeah? Bit awkward. Bit awkward. Back together. Well, I did have my analyzer on, it's turned itself off, maybe the battery's flat. So I'm going to set the analyzer up and do a combustion analysis on it and all the rest of it.